All we gotta do is dry it and mask it, and we can paint it. Let's see you tap out. Can I get a hoorah? That's right. Before and after. A little wire brush. I use the Toro Super Blower or Super Vet to dry it off here in just a minute, and then we'll be able to mask it and paint it Cryoline black. Now I'm missing one of the center caps for the back, so I said screw it, I'll just pull them all off. With this one I cleaned the hub and got the tire back on. That looks a lot better, and we'll take a look. Got a lot more of the paint job yet to do. It's oddly enough is getting done in fits and stages, but is a method to my madness. I'm not real sure what it is yet, but it's coming along. So just give it a little bit more time. See, I'll need to shut up. I need to clean this up. Then I'll be able to put that rim back on and look decent. Later, what I like to do is get new skirts, inserts, and paint all that black and make it pretty. Well, it's a war wagon, but there's no reason why it can't be nice. No reason why it can't be a nice war wagon. Next step, pull the seats, center console, and the carpet. Start looking for more cancer. Of course, I showed some on my other video. Pull its headliner. See if it's paintable. It needs to get cleaned up. So I'm going to scrub it and see if I can paint it. If paint one here, I'm going to try some truck bed liner and screw it to hell and let that work. Then the inside of the cat, filthy as hell. You can see over there, that's filthy. Most people that have these type of vehicles smoked worse than the diesel engine that's in it. So a lot of nicotine in there. It needs to come out. I don't smoke. I smoked for 20 something years and I gave it up. I don't smoke no more. A lot of work left to be done, but it's getting done a bit at a time. Oh yeah, I got this panel off. I almost wish I hadn't. It's done. Got worse to the inspection though. It's going to have to be a lot of cutting out, fabricating. Of course, it's not going to have these ridges in it. It'll be sealed up and fixed up. Give me some time. It's getting there.